Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. I am so excited to have you today. Welcome to this channel where we make amazing meals. Before me is our array of ingredients which we are going to be using to make our cucumber apple salad, and as you can tell, it has so much twist in it. Keep it here so that you can see the process of what you are going to do. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and like this video and click on the notification bell so that when I post new stuff you will not be missing it out. So let's go to the preparation. I'll be able to take you through each step so that you don't guess when you want to do it for yourself, and thank you so much. Okay, to our ingredients, we are going to be using what is before us. I've cleaned most of this stuff, actually all of them apart from the onions, which I needed to show you when they are whole. I'm going to use a half of a white onion and a quarter or half of the red onion or purple onion. Then we have our protein, which is going to come from the beef Viennas. The beef Viennas are a good source of protein to our salad. You can use an egg or just the normal salad or chicken. This varies, but today this is what I'm using. And then we are going to have carrots, which we're going to dice into small pieces. I'll show you how to do that. We have our tomatoes, they are washed. We have a yellow bell pepper, and lastly apples and cucumbers. Now there are two there's what you're seeing here. This is cubed lime juice, which was frozen, and I had a lot of lime when I bought them from the market, and because they had started drying out, I cubed them and I froze some. So I'm going to microwave this so that it can melt down, and then we are going to use it. I'll show you how we use it, and I have a secret top up nuts to this salad, so keep it here so that when we be doing the dressing, I'll show you what we are going to be using, then we come and combine everything together. So I want to just fry the Viennas a bit so that they can be crispy, and this will prevent them from being soggy when they are combined in the salad. So I've oiled that pan and I will leave them here, then we'll go and do the other preparation.
And when you feel lonely, ain't got no one to hold you.
So this is how they look. You can see the nice golden brown color. They are not burnt. Oops, they're not burnt. They are nice and crispy. This is what I wanted to achieve. If you don't do this, they'll come into the salad, soak in a lot of water, and they may be soggy and you may not attain a good desired taste.
Run to me, yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Now my lime is already thawed out, so I'm going to put in this. So this step is for those people who don't like the taste of onion in their food. In that I was saying that the onions are very personal. Like you cannot just copy what somebody else did if you don't like the taste. So for that reason, I just request you to go ahead and do what you prefer. If you want to slice the big portions, please go ahead and do that. Similarly, I'll chop the carrots into smaller portions, so that because they are not cooked, you don't want someone to be munching onto a very big chunk of carrots inside the salad, yet you want them to get that hard crispy feel from this.
When it's good and I can breathe a little, and my path is winding in your light, I hear your sweet voice say to me, you're my child and I've set you free. I remember all you've brought me through, 'cause you're so good, you're so good. You were so good to me. You were so good.
So this means that the onions are very flavorful from the lime that was soaking in them, and this is what I'll discard, as for the reasons I had explained earlier. You're not going to use that. Then now I can add that, and I'll give it a bit, I'll give it a mix before I add in the fried Viennas. This is so healthy, and if you want to just stop at adding this and the Viennas, you can stop, but I'm going to do a dressing, so just hold on. We do a dressing, and this will be, you can have this for dinner if you don't want to have a very heavy meal. So I'll leave it like this as we prepare the dressing, which will be also a bit light. You don't want them to be so much covered, and it's very nice when you're eating and then you come across some of this meaty part of the salad, and also the apples. When you are able to just pick up an apple together with a cucumber, and this, it becomes very nice. So this is just to lighten the mayo. And make it a bit sweet. You can use honey, but personally I don't take honey. I have an allergy there that gives me issues when I do take honey. So after this, before we put in the dressing, let me introduce you to my secret topping. We are going to be using these seeds. These seeds are called sunflower seeds. Yes, that's a word I'm looking for. Sunflower seeds are very nutritious. We used to munch on them a lot when we were young, but they were not in the seeded form. Let me just bring them close. I'll show you how I prepare them so that they can be golden. And we used to eat them a lot, and they give me very lovely childhood memories. And so before I go in the mayo, let me just infuse them or mix them up in the salad. You can tell this is a delicacy that we all need to learn how to make. And if you'll be making yours a different way, try my recipe and come back and give me a comment on the same. Also leave a like in this video if you've watched it this far. Let me know your thoughts. Let me just see your love, and then we will be able to connect in my next video. If you also have a channel, let me know how I can support you so that we can all grow together. Look. This is so nice. Oh. Of course, you pick everything, you can together, the meat, the apple, the tomato, the what, the sunflower will be picked in between there, and you have a magic.